Mm-hmm. 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 It's listen to the brain channel. Yes, definitely. Listen to this brain. Let's listen to it. Here, I just the studio. Holding up. Now you have no choice but to listen to the brain. It's what's so amazing. And can also take you strong and also tell you your talk of secret. The brain knows all children. When it will come to you, then you open your outside the total. So, you can do this. Let's have a look. This just says be intimidating. Note, put your mouth over your hand. Note, put your hand over your mouth like this. And then just start speaking. This doesn't make any sense. What's it supposed to be? Damn it! Wait, Reggie. You didn't... Oh god damn it. This channel's gonna be ruined. No! 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 I guess, okay. Hey, who are you? You don't need to know that. Still, he's not going to be here with you. No, stop you from doing all that stuff you're doing. Yeah. I'm just gonna do that. Wait a minute. You can't do that. That's illegal. No, nobody sent to us. You're actually real. What do you mean by that? Of course I'm real. No, you're not. You're not real. You're not. Well, if the brain is real, then I am real also. I forgot to do this thing. What? Oh, wait, this one. Oh, hold on. If the brain is real, then the soul more. No, you're not real. You're not real. Just not real. I'm pretty sure you're insane. Or person who died during the rain. I don't know. What? Screw you random person, you! How dare you? That was unusual, but it doesn't feel that great. But I'm going to respect what you said, and just leave. Glad that was wrong. Really? Listen to the rain. Wait, what? Wait, what did you do? No. Right? He's gone. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Video. It's a video. Damn it. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this. Well, yeah. Bye.